when people give, they are able to get over depression. I was at Yale, I had faculty positions there, but I chose to come back to India. You will give as a doctor, but to give even more. As a fellow doctor, of course, a long time ago, 30 years ago, I went through med school. And I recall how hard it was trying to get through Grey's Anatomy and then finally deciding Chaurasya was enough. And so it's an extremely tiring journey. I think I know that firsthand as a doc. I think everyone at GSK Pharma works with docs and also knows that. Studies have shown that when you give, when people give, they are able to get over depression. And today in the post-COVID world, we're all talking about mental health issues and depression and so on. And studies have shown that when you teach patients to give, they can actually come off their antidepressants. So it's a very interesting psychiatric study. So I just want to say that we are all blessed. I think at GSK, at Body for Study, we're all the partners, we're all blessed that we are able to, through CSR, through different ways, we're able to give. And I would like to tell all of you as well to keep that in mind as you go through med school, as you become doctors, as you become specialists, whatever you may do in life, to continue to, you will give as a doctor, but to give even more. So if I can give you a personal example, I moved back from the US, it's been 22 years now, with this idea that I trained to be a doctor to serve in India. I was at Yale, I had faculty positions there, but I chose to come back to India. We set up a teleradiology group that covers hospitals across remote parts of India and Africa, run a primary care chain of clinics because primary care is very underserved in India. So in my own little way, I've been able to, and it's been a 20, 25 year journey. So it's not something that you will be able to come out of med school and do. I would say you've got to give yourself that over the next 20, 25 years, I'm going to keep seeing what I can do in my little way to make things better. One, there's a huge need in India. Doctors are finally, are appreciated. They've got their due. They're able to lead a comfortable life. But as doctors, I think we need to keep moving. And why has that happened? I mean, how has that change happened in 30 years? Because there's been a lot of work on the ground. There's been a lot of work at the government level trying what they can. I mean, the e-Sanjeevani telemedicine platform of the government today has done over 1 crore teleconsultations. There have been a lot of NGOs on the ground trying to improve the system. There's been the private sector working with government, and there have been thousands of doctors who've chosen to stay in this country and work day after day, year after year to make things better. So I think while yes, we all as physicians want, our career and a good life, a part of our life, a part of our energy, a part of our everyday has to go to how can we make the system better around us.